Hello and welcome to this webinar about the Biomedical Science undergraduate degree at St George's University of London. Thank you for taking the time to register and to attend today. So I'm going to provide you with an overview of the Biomedical Science course, then give you a little bit more detail about some of the key features of the programme and what makes it differ from other biomedical science programmes, before finishing with some information about what our graduates tend to go on to do after they complete their biomedical science degree. Next slide, please. So the biomedical science degree provides you with a broad understanding of the scientific basis of human health and disease, including study, investigation, diagnosis, and treatment. Our modules in the first 3 semesters cover molecular and cell biology, physiology, pharmacology, anatomy, and genomics. In semester 4, which is the second half of year 2, all of this knowledge will be brought together to apply to the clinical pathologies. So by this, I mean clinical immunology, clinical hematology, clinical genetics, and so forth. These first 2 years provide you with the general expertise to then specialize in the final year in a particular pathway, which I'll give you a little bit more information about in a moment. There is also the option to transfer to a 4-year MSci at the end of year 2, as long as you have an average of at least 60% in your exams so far. This is a really exciting opportunity to get a postgraduate level qualification without needing to apply separately for a postgraduate course. You can in fact apply for this through UCAS rather than applying for the BSc if you wish, but you can move between the two once you're here. So you can move between the BSc to the MSci, and you can move from the MSci to the BSc if you wish. So the MSci really is designed for those of you who are thinking of doing a PhD after your degree or moving into research generally. This is the only MSci in biomedical science in London, and it qualifies for 4 years of undergraduate funding because technically it is an undergraduate degree, which is why you can apply to it through UCAS. So MSci students follow a pathway in the same way as BSc students in year 3, as well as doing some additional taught modules, specially to prepare them for higher level research. And then in their 4th year of the course, MSci students spend the majority of their year doing a large-scale postgraduate quality project, which is a really exciting opportunity. Next slide, please. So I've mentioned several times the pathways which you can specialize in during the